Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an M dash or a long dash in constant contact. All right. That is actually pretty easy to do. For example, I'm going to create an M dash in here. I'm going to zoom in. The easiest way to make an M dash is just go ahead and open up a new tab. Then type in M dash. All right. As you can see here, simply copy it. Right click, copy, and paste it like so. All right. Change the text color if you want to, like so. And that's it. This is M dash, and these are dashes. Okay. Another option to bring up M dash is by simply holding Alt on your keyboard. All right. And then if you have a numpad or a numeric pad like this one, again, hold Alt or the Alt key on your keyboard, then press 0151, then release Alt. Okay. Again, hold Alt, type in 0151, then release Alt. Okay. If you're using Mac, the shortcut is Option plus Shift plus hyphen. Again, Option plus Shift plus hyphen. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.